Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial. If you lost your iPhones, how do you report to? Yes, Apple database server that your phone has lost or now you would like to report it to. Make the mark on iCloud status that should be blacklisted, that should be stolen mode or lost mode. How do you especially impose this kind of allegation on any iPhones by reporting quickly if you lost or someone has stolen your device? It's very easy to. How that? Yes, simply just we will open a Google Chrome browser. We will come on especially imei24.coms, and here we have one option that report your iPhones. Now here just we will have to enter IMI number and the phone here lost and stolen. If you mark here then stolen, and if you lost then date of birth. Of course you will have to incident that, and of course a place where it has been lost, and information about the reporting person. Of course that you will have to name here, you will have to surname, you will have to I especially email ID, and upon of course possible reward. That's if you would like to give the, if it has gotten, or once again if it come in the Apple database server, then of course quickly it will assist to find out where is your device, guys. So how easily you can find out, especially via this website. It's a little bit you will have to give the some charge, but of course as a reward especially at the end of the when you especially find out your device. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Right now see, simply you will have to buy a IMEI number as well as serial number. You can find out all the detail, and thereupon you can fill, and here you will have to mark that especially your device is lost, yeah, stolen or blacklisted, and thereupon of course you will be able to. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.